Well guys, we are back at Prince Road in Campbell, and I can officially say we have got these. There's 6 of these other ones too, but this is my 7th.
Wait.
It works too.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
It doesn't make any. That one chirps. Never heard that one.
Wait. Wait.
This is my first scene. This still doing that.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
These things are a lot more sensitive than the Iron 3s are. These are the Iron S systems.
Wait.
I've never seen these before, so I'm like, I came over here and was like, what is this? There's 6 of these.
Wait.
All I know is there's 6 of these, and this is one of them. 7 actually.
Wait.
It's still saying wait, even though I'm pointing my camera at it.
Wait.
That's pretty.
Wait.
That's pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty. That's it.